We've had a much safer way of playing, haven't we, mate? Xavier! Hey, gorgeous baby! Xavier! Hey, cutie! Now we're going to practice getting up on your knees. Yeah. So you can go crawling. So you can go crawling. What's that in the mirror? What can you see? Hey, gorgeous. Oh, is that Coco come to say hello? Is it? Meow. Hi, Peanut. What's Coco doing? Hey, gorgeous. Is there a cute baby in there? Say, ay, 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 ay. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da.